Hello and welcome. I am a biologist and I am thrilled to introduce you to the Unseen Biology Club, your gateway to the fascinating world of unseen biology. On this channel, we will explore the tiny, the hidden, and the incredible aspects of biology that shape our world. From the microscopic to the molecular, we will dive into the unseen forces that impact our lives. As a passionate teacher, I have always been fascinated by the intricate details of life. I believe that understanding the unseen world of biology can inspire, educate, and empower us to make a positive impact. On this channel, you can expect a mix of animation, microscopy footage, and the engaging explanation that bring complex concepts to life. We will cover topics like microbiology, cellular biology, and the biology of extreme environments. Whether you are a student, a biology enthusiast, or just curious about the natural world, this channel is designed for you. My goal is to keep complex biology concepts accessible. So if you're ready, hit that subscribe button and join me. Share your thoughts, questions, and ideas in the comments below. Let's uncover the secrets of microscopic world. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.